guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you a trick and then teaching you the trick. So I have this wooden thing and 3 wooden dowels. So today I will be testing your memory. You can pick one of the 3, but I know you're not here, so I'm just going to do it for you. I have the blue dowel. It's going to go right in there. And then I have the dark green dowel. And then I have the bright red dowel. Now, by testing your memory, we can actually see that first out comes the red one, then the blue one comes out, and then the green one comes out. This trick's really hard to do on camera, but it looks super cool in real life. So if you'd like to see it again, I can show you it. You don't need to rewind and stuff. So all I'm going to do is put in a green dowel. And then I'm going to put in my blue dowel. And then my red dowel. And then when you watch them come out, the red dowel comes out first, then the green dowel, and then out from the bottom comes the blue dowel. So now I'm going to show you how it works. There is not 6 dowels. A lot of people think there's 6 dowels. There actually isn't, because I could have told you which order to put the dowels in and it would have done the same thing. The real trick is that the tube is bigger on one side than the other side, so there's 4 dowels. The red ones are bigger than the blue and green ones. There are 2 red ones, but just so you can see it from that angle, they are just a pinch bigger. So at the beginning, you figure out which end it is, and so let's say it's this end. So I put a red one in there at the beginning. Then what you do is you put a green one, a blue one, and then at the end a red one. But because the red one's bigger, the red one will never go through it because it's bigger and it won't fit any further than that little mark. So you need to make sure you have the right side, because if you first put in a blue one on this side and stuff, then there's only 2 in and you can't actually fit a 3rd one. So you just need to make sure what side it is. But it's a really cool trick because the red one's already in, and then when you put them through, then you can put them through in really any order as long as it's not red first. And then at the end red. And then when they go through, sometimes it takes them a while, the red one sort of falls back. So then it's harder for people to tell. They probably will just see wood if they get a quick flash of it. So that's called flashing, when you show something you don't want to show in magic. So if I showed that or did that, then I would be doing a flash. A lot of times you don't want to, but if you're doing comedy magic, a lot of times people do that by showing how they did it. So hopefully that helps. I'll just go through it again. So beforehand, you throw a red one inside of it. Make sure it's the right end or the trick will not work. So just practice it first. And if it only goes close to the end, then it's the right side. If it falls pretty much all the way down, then it's the wrong side. So that part's sort of easy. Some do work on both sides, but mine doesn't. So then you put in the blue one and then the green one. But another thing to do is say, pick one of these colors, and then no matter what, it'll work. And then later put in the blue one if they pick green. And then at the end, put a red one in. If you want to really do magic, then you can make the red one appear out of your hand or something like that. And then at the end, the red one that was already placed is going to go through, and then the other 2. But because the red one won't fit through, it will always stay inside. No matter how hard you push it through, it will not go through. So that's a pretty cool one. I would recommend putting this in a Ziploc bag, or all the dowels will go missing. That's happened to me many times before. But see you next time.